Hi, welcome to All Around the World. Today we are going to make a tea with the Mexican mint leaf. This is for improving your immune system and detoxing your lungs. This is a very good remedy for cough, cold and all. We are going to add black jeera with this and a piece of lime and 6 leaves of Mexican mint leaf. Black jeera is a magic medicine for all the diseases except 1 teaspoon of black jeera, 6 leaves of Mexican mint. Take 1 glass of water, 6 leaves of this Mexican mint, cut it in 2 pieces. You can add it in water with along with the 1 teaspoon of black jeera. Then boil it well. 1 glass of water we have to make it as half glass. Then only meanwhile when we are boiling this, the medicinal effect and all will extract to the water, so it will become a very good medicine for pneumonia, cough and all. Filter and take it into the glass. We can see it become half glass of water, and we can add 1 piece of lime in that. When we are adding lime in hot water, that's also become a medicine for cold. So this is a very good medicine in this pandemic season if you are drinking morning or before bed, or when you are getting time you can drink this. You know, one secret, black jeera is a remedy for all diseases. This is a magical medicine. Keep one Mexican plant in your home. I have one beautiful plant in my home. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe.